Hello, this is Rob. I've got a private sale vehicle. This is not through the dealership. This is a 2003 996 generation Porsche 911 Carrera. I'm going to do a walk around, take a look at the interior, start up, and I'm going to bring this top down. It's going to be a little bit of a longer video, so skip around where you need to. Put some comments down below. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me, 360-523-8585. You can shoot me a call, shoot me a text. So let's get started here. Like I said, this is a 2003 996 generation Porsche Carrera 911. It is in a wrap color. As you can see, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. The shifting of the colors is phenomenal. It's got blues, reds, greens, purples in it. And when it's darker color, it just goes to like a dark copper, which is amazing. The tires are wrapped in a Michelin, and the tread is pretty deep. These tires have got a lot of life left in them. This car is also a hardtop convertible, so this is the soft top that's showing. There is a hard top that goes with this, and I'll have pictures of it as well with it on the car, and it's also in this wrap color. All your electronic window actuators work, and we'll go over that here in a moment. And this wrap is pretty recent as well. There's that copper color that I was talking about earlier. You can see that, how it shifted to that color. This thing is just absolutely incredible. The wrap just puts this car together. Let's take a look on the inside. Here's the first actuator. Take a look, open the door, that window comes down. Close the door, the window goes back up. Those actuators are pretty spendy, and these are about $300 a pop. So the door cards are leather with carpet. It's got your stock Bose system in it. Your sill plates are in great shape. The seats are phenomenal. You got the passenger side. Let's look in the rear. And the rear seats, which rarely get sat in because, 911. Your plastics up top, your dash is in great shape on this car. Your power windows all work. I'm going to go ahead and close this door. Actuator goes up. Just a stunning car. Okay, let us go in. We're gonna take a look at this actuator now. Once again, goes up, goes down. When you're looking at these types of cars, just these little things make all the difference. You got nice leather door cards once again. Carpet. You've got some little towels in there. The driver's seat is in great condition. No rips, no tears. Really a nice put together. The carpets are a little bit dirty, but that's just a little bit of a vacuum. This is still kind of somewhat of a weekend car, so this car does get used. The sills are in good shape. So underneath the wrap is a green color, and it's kind of hard to pick up, but there you go. This is a dark green, which is this color all right here. See if we can get a better look at the door side. So it's that color of green. So this wrap does match well with the color underneath it. Kind of flows right in. So when you open the door, it's not an obvious wrap. You can't tell. It looks really nice when you open the door. You see some wraps that have a huge contrast where it's a stark difference when you open the door, and this one does not have that. It blends really well. All right. Okay. We are in the car. 2003 Carrera 911 996 generation. Plastics all look really nice. All your buttons look really good, and some of these generations, like the buttons are faded and all that, and this one does not show any of that. The interior to the top is in good shape. your headlights, power mirrors. And of course, Porsche is always on the left-hand side for the ignition. We're showing 99,873 miles. I'm not a presenter, so the Porsche got that big tack in the middle, and I love that. So this is a 6-speed manual. This is the one to have, in my opinion. So you got your clutch. We're going to go ahead and press that and fire it up. Ooh. I believe this has some custom exhaust as well. It just sounds really nice. So it's telling me, and I do have the AC on, and that AC feels so good. It's on low right now. Oh my goodness. Feels really good. So it's just telling me to put on my seatbelt. That's the only warning light that's on, but we're not going to quite do that. The AC, so good. It's 80 degrees here in Centralia, and it's nice to have that AC, a working AC, even though you have a little bit of a toy car. So we're gonna, so all the windows go down the way they're supposed to, and that top goes down. Gonna let me know. Those windows go right back up, and it's done. So it becomes a convertible really quick. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off again. Put that in gear. Set the brake, and it's just like the little things. The glove box works well. Your little flap door here works. Usually that's kind of busted, being these 996 generation. Really a beautiful car. That top works. Oh, wants me to take my key. So this car transforms into a beautiful convertible. Your windows are tinted, and there's no bubbling on that either. So the tint was done very well. Stepping back here. So everything operates as it should when you pull that top down. Your convertible top, all your windows go down, all your windows go up. So everything works as it should. And there it is. We've got the convertible top out here as well, and we're going to go ahead and show you that here in just a second. But let's do a full walk around. Just a beautiful car. The wrap looks nice. The wheels and tires are really in great shape. Interior is beautiful. An amazing car. So this is the top. Let's take a look at it. As you go through, it has its own case here, or it has its own stand, and then it has the same color wrap on it, and I'll show pictures of the car with this top on it as well, but this goes with the car as well. So it's a convertible, hard top, hard glass back. So, and the glass is tinted as well. So the tint all matches all the way around your driver's windows, and then your little quarter windows as well. There are no rips, there's no tears. All this looks in very good condition. All right. So we also have a windscreen that goes with this. That goes to the rear of the car. This also is going with the vehicle. So the Porsche comes with the hardtop, the stand for the hardtop, your windscreen, and of course the car itself. And it's just absolutely stunning on a beautiful day like this. Ripping around, exhaust sounds good, interior is beautiful, wrapped in leather really well. The tint has been professionally installed, not only on the main windows but on the glass as well. So there it is, folks. If you have any questions, put some comments down below. This is a little bit of a longer video. That's fine. This is not through the dealership. Once again, this is a 2003 Porsche 911 996 generation 6-speed manual hardtop convertible, naturally aspirated, and it's not going through the dealership. This is a private sale. If you have any questions, give me a call, 360-523-8585, or shoot me a text as well on that line, or shoot some comments down below, and I'll respond to those pretty quick. So thanks for watching. Questions, like I said, reach out, comments below, shoot me a call or text. Thanks for watching.